puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi, Reese. Hi, Reese. Can we get the camera? He will chase the camera. Say hi, Reese. And who's that? Is that Charlie? Say hi, Charlie. Yes, you're so cute. Say hi, Charlie. And there's Tate and Molly and Baby and Daisy and Teddy. And Daisy's trying to wean them, so she'll growl at them and lick them and growl at them and lick them. Because they're still trying to get up on her, and they're too old now. She doesn't hurt them or nothing. The process of weaning. You guys are the smart ones, huh, Reese? You're gonna eat goods. And that's Charlie and Reese eating. And that's Tate and Moose and Red Girl. And I believe that is Purple Girl. And there's Molly, little Miss Molly. And there's Baby. Oh, this is Purple Girl. This is Purple Girl. That's Red Girl. Purple Girl. Come here, baby. Oh, they're gonna follow Mommy. And they all become just a pack of brown. Say hi, Purple Girl. Yes, she's so cute. Their little tails are wagging. She says, hi, Mama. There's Purple Girl and Tate. That's Moose. That's Charlie. And there's Purple Girl. No, yeah, there's Purple Girl. And it's really hard to get them. I want to get their faces. Careful. Look at, now she licks him. Make sure he's okay. Good girl, Daisy. And that is Red Girl. And that is Tate. Say hi, Tate. Oh. Hi, Tate. And Purple. And Baby. Purple. Hello, Moose. You can't have the camera. You can't have it. You can't. You can't have it. You can't have it. He wants this. Moose. Moose. Oh, look at you got it. Oh, you guys got it. Reese. You can't have it. Reese and Moose attacking the strap. Oh, you guys are big and tough. Okay, no more of that. No more of that. Say hi, Tate. Where is Reese? Reese! with Molly? Reese is on the far right. She's like a lighter red color. Reese! Excuse me. Hi, little girl. Hi, sweetie. You can see all the blonde coming in her face. Kind of looks silly when they're puppies, but it's going to be beautiful. She's cleaning herself. Good girl, Reese. Good girl.